There's a couple different ways to identify the year of a Chevy C10, and one of the most easiest ways in my opinion is by checking out the grille. From the years of 67 to 72, there were some small differences in between the grilles, so in today's video, let's go ahead and check them out. In 1967 to 1968, your C10 would have came from the factory with a grille that looked a lot like this. Now this grille would either be painted white or would end up being painted to match the truck. Now with this grille, you can notice the rectangular openings in the front there. With these rectangular openings, if you had a CST trim level, they would actually have chrome inserts in them. Along with those chrome inserts, you'd have chrome around the headlights, and even though it's not part of the grille, you'd actually have a chrome strip across the hood to be able to match as well. Also, something that's worth mentioning, if you look in the center of this grille, you'll notice it has the Chevy bow tie, but when we move on to our next grille, that will not be there. Now for the 1969 to 1970 grille, you can tell there's a bit of a difference here. This grille is going to be fully anodized aluminum, and we got rid of the bow tie in the middle and stamped in the word Chevrolet in the middle section of the grille. Now besides that, we have a black stripe painted around our headlights, and we have a new honeycomb plastic insert on the top and bottom section of the grille. Now there is a difference between the 69 and the 70 grille. With the 70s grille, it'll look almost the exact same, but on the honeycomb insert, there will be a black vertical painted line going down the center of it. With the 1971 to 1972 grille, we still keep that anodized aluminum look, but if you take notice, this one has a pretty big difference as far as the middle section goes. Now with this grille, you'll have the egg crate plastic insert in the middle, and we get the Chevy bow tie back in the middle as well. One thing that you can really notice though is there's no parking lights or turn signals on this grille compared to the other two. With this year, they actually moved those lights down into the bumper. With the lights now in the bumper, it really frees up a lot of space on the grille to really give it a nice, cleaner, subtle look to it. Now, just like every other grille that we talked about, there is a difference between the 2 years on this one as well. With the 71 grille, you'll notice there is a black stripe that goes all the way around the grille to complete the look of it. So there's all the differences between the 67 to 72 Chevy C10 grilles. Hopefully with this information, if you're looking at a C10, it'll be able to help you identify what year it is a little bit easier, or if you're even just trying to find the period correct part for your current project. Personally, the 72 grille is one of my favorites, but down in the comments section below, let me know which grille is your favorite. I'd love to hear all of your opinions. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out the link in the description for all your classic truck part needs.